So here we are today. We're going to do a pressure test at my house. This is Tom Krogan,
Oh,
one of our neighbors. So this is one of the hardest parts of the whole thing, is trying to get the cover off the water meter. Or, excuse me, it's not actually a meter, it's just a shutoff valve. Some of them are accessible, some of them are covered with rocks and dirt, landscaping.
and it's actually good just to see what condition those valves are in. Too.
Yeah, they've probably been looked at in 30 years.
Yeah, yeah. We had to trim a hedge over here for Kathy
Yeah,
to
okay.
get to it.
So mine, just so you know, mine was opened when we talked about this, what, 3 months ago?
Yeah.
I think I did my first test.
Yeah.
So you can't really see much in there, but the valve is down there.
Yeah.
Good job, Tom. Cleaning around the edge makes it easier to put that stuff back on.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, seriously. So right now you're just kind of clearing away so you can turn off the water, right?
And this tool is really important. This valve is connected to the main water line with 3/4 inch PVC.
Mm-hmm.
That if you torque that too hard or in the wrong direction, you can crack the pipe underneath it.
So that one's,
This is the tool.
that's designed so you can't do that?
It
You
minimize.
can, but,
Yeah.
You got to work really hard at it.
well, these turn pretty easy, but
Yeah.
if they don't, and you
Or if
crack it, then you're out of water.
Or if you try to put a crescent wrench or something in there at odd angles, you
Yeah.
could torque
Yeah.
it and
Okay.
crack the pipe. So.
Hey, Pam.
So we have to go over here and
Okay.
hook the pressure gauge up.
So now Chris is just going over. Chris is just going over to my hose bib outside the house, and he's just going to put a pressure gauge on it,
Yeah, next year I'm gonna come to your home.
so we can see how much water pressure we have.
Sure, I'll come to your home. They don't have much a rope.
At this point, you're just opening the valve so you get the pressure, right?
Yep. Skip the pressure, and then Tom can turn it off.
I think you already did.
Did you turn it off already?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what are we looking at now?
You're looking at about 51 pounds of pressure.
Okay, and goal here is what? Just leave it for a few minutes?
Yeah. And if there's a leak, you'll see it drop instantly. It'll start to move.
The
Yeah.
bigger the leak, the faster it'll
Yeah,
drop?
faster it'll go.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
No, just leave it off. And just let it sit there for a bit.
Okay. Now, as part of this, are you going to offer to check with sprinklers too?
You know,
Not at this point?
I think I can make that a separate inspection.
Okay.
Because that could take.
It takes a lot of time, yeah.
Yeah, it
Okay.
takes a lot of
Right here, we're just trying to evaluate what's inside the house without actually going inside the house.
Yep. Just
Okay.
take a general static view.
There you go.
And it's holding.
It's holding?
So you can show that again.
2 minutes is enough?
Oh yeah.
Like you said-
A little. 10 drips a minute.
Mhm.
You can see the pressure drop.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Of course, it's just measuring the water in the pipe. As that water comes out, the pressure decreases.
Yeah, it just
Okay.
incremental decrease.
Okay.
And it really shows up here. So, okay, we're good, Tom. Okay.
So Tom's gonna be over here, turn the water pressure back on. Cleaning things up.
Making them pretty.
You got it off, you might as well make it easier putting it off next time, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
Didn't even take 10 minutes.
I know.
Let's
Most
see.
of the time we spend visiting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's the complaint, right?
Yeah.